Here is lesson 27 for saxophone. We will play numbers 63 and 64. Alright, you should have already looked at 63 and 64, and you should be ready to go. So let's play through 64 after I give you a couple of quick notes. 1. Something you have probably heard in class is that true musicians can read music. Now what does that mean? We all know bingo. We all know bingo. It's a song that many people play, just different versions. Okay, we know how it goes. You don't need the music to play it. However, if you look at the music, it's written a little bit differently from how we know. The real musicians, they'll be able to play what's on the page even though it doesn't sound the way that it's supposed to, or that we know it's supposed to sound. Okay? So, be a real musician and read it as written. And one note at the very last measure, we have a quarter rest on beat 1. If I were you, I would circle that quarter rest to make sure that I did not play on beat 1, because I would not like to have a solo on that. That's a bad kind of solo to have. Alright, here we go. Bingo. And 1. Ready. Did you take that rest correctly? That last quarter rest like what we just talked about? If you did, good. If not, you need to go back and practice it after you mark it. Okay? Alright, did you get all of the slurs? Did you tap your foot? Did you count? Did you keep your fingers close? Was your embouchure firm? Did you blow fast air? All of these are things that we need to think about every time we play a piece of music. Alright, going on to 64. We're going to go over our code word. Our code word for today is Mozart. Mozart is a very famous classical composer. You have probably heard at some point me playing the Mozart Clarinet Concerto. As of right now, I am currently working on memorizing that concerto so I can perform it. So you've probably heard me play a couple different parts of that concerto. Alright. Number 64. You know, for your key signature, which for us is a little bit weird, but, I'm sorry, not key signature, accidentals. You notice that we have no accidentals in this song. And for us, 65 looks the exact same. The difference for everybody else in the band is that number 65 has a key signature in it. Excuse me. Okay, so this is the point in the book when we start reading key signatures rather than seeing all the flats or sharps written on every measure. So as you play through, from this point forward, make sure you're looking and you're finding that key signature. It should be the first thing you always do. Okay, let's play it. 64. And 1, ready. There you go. Alright, that was lesson 27. Thanks for joining me.